Hey everybody, I want to give you a short introduction how PikUp works. So, after you installed the app, you have to go to settings to see what settings are available. I recommend to take a look here, and then you can choose how much orders you will see on this order tabs. Over this order tab, you are able to add orders to the pick list, but you can also use the Shopify's orders overview, where you have much more filter that you can pre-configure. So for example, if you have a filter here like unfulfilled, you can click them, you see all that orders that are related to the filter conditions, and then you can select orders. You can go here, more actions, choose add to pick list, and then you will be asked if you want to add these orders to an existing pick list. Then you click here, you will see an overview of all created pick lists, or you can create just a new pick list. If you just create a new pick list, then these 3 orders will add to a brand new pick list. Then you have the possibility to add more orders to these pick lists. For example, you can do it via the orders tab inside the app, which allows you to get up to 1000 orders in one overview. Or you go to the orders tab from Shopify, where you just can select 50 orders, but I think it's still enough for a pick list, because if you add too much orders to a pick list, then you will have a pick list maybe much too big, and it will not give you a really good overview. So I recommend to add orders via the Shopify orders tab and select a maximum of 50 orders. So for example, when we want to add more orders to the existing pick list that we just created, we select more orders. We go to add to pick list, and then we can say, you will see also if these orders, the selected orders, is already added to a pick list. Here we just added these 2 orders to a pick list, but don't mind, we go to add to a 6 existing pick list and choose, I don't know, some of the pick lists just for an example, add to pick list here, and then these 2 orders will be added to the existing pick list. So this is the workflow. You can also make some fine-tunings via the settings. You have the option of which columns, which informations do you want to have on the pick list. You can add meta fields, you can set a sortation. You can say, okay, if a pick list is created, I want to send this pick list. I want to send a link to the pick list, to all the documents and all the views. I want to send this to an external email address. This receiver will not require a Shopify admin access. The recipient is not being forced to have an account in your Shopify admin area, so he can open the pick list and can work with it as an external service provider. And then you have also set up for Packlists, because the pick list is the first step. Then you need a Packlist. You can have also some possibility to set some options here. Then the documents, which time zone do you want to have on the documents, which language, the page format. We recommend landscape, because you have a lot of information, a lot of columns usually on the pick list, on the pack list, and so it's better to use the landscape orientation. You can add your logo to brand it. You can set the app interface language, and then we have an integration with the Bundles app. If someone is using the Bundles app from the Shopify App Store, then you can enable it here so that the bundles will be split off in the items that are included in the bundles, because you need the exact items for pick the goods, the items, and pack. Okay, this everything what we can say at this point. So if you want to add storage places, then you can also export all your items to an XLSX file. You can open it with Excel or Google Sheet. You can add the storage places, and after that you can import it. And if you have imported it and you want to update some of these informations, you just can export another XLSX file, which will also include all the storage information that you already added, and then you can edit them and then you can import it again. So it's really self-explaining. If you do it, just give it a try. You can do nothing wrong with your Shopify products. Everything is inside the app. The app will not change something inside your products or in your orders. It's just reading the stuff out from your data, and then it will give you the features of creating Picklists and Packlists. So, okay, I hope this was a little introduction for you to see how the app is built, or what is the main workflow that we want to offer you with this app. And we wish you all the best, good business. Bye bye, see you.